My name is Keith. I'm here with Woolly Bees Langford, good friend of mine. We're gonna try to get a swarm down out of a tree. I was out here this morning messing with my bees and they all flew up in the air and I watched them go up in the air. So we try to do it safely. So we got a ladder, but the limb's too small to climb up. So we got this little box here and got it strapped to this ladder where it's pretty secure with these bungee straps. And what we're going to do, we're going to take it and try to knock the bees in it and fly it down to Langford. Watch him get stung. So we got our PPE on, so we'll see what happens.
This may end up being another what not to do in beekeeping video.
Now I got it right over the top of the bees, so I'm going to try to hit that limb pretty hard without knocking that box apart, and maybe they'll funnel in it. Let's see what happens. Ready, Langford?
I am zoomed in and ready.
Here we go.
Third say you're gonna have to kind of rake it a little bit because
See what we got. Anything in it?
not much. They all went back into the air and no queen. You're ripping your box.
I don't know what to do. Alright, here we go again.
Take two.
We got a different plan. I don't like it, but it's a plan.
What we've done is back the truck in. Once we get the swarm, then the fun is trying to get the truck out. I think this ranks right along up there with Bryant Davis down in Be Blessed Farms, climbing up 40 feet in a tree to get a swarm. Yeah, you're safe. Don't worry, I know the number to 119. There's plenty of sap in that limb, it ain't gonna break. Look at him, cheating with the sugar water. I was wanting to see him get eat up. Ooh, I'm getting sprayed with that too.
It smells good?
Yeah, it smells good, but I don't like getting wet. Don't want my camera wet. Let's zoom in so we can see what we're going on. Turn your box around the other way, whichever way you want to do it. Tell them all about it.
101 beekeeping.
Tell them all about it, Zoe. You trying to tell us how crazy we are? So he's in here barking at us. She's telling us how crazy we are. Beautiful little black girl.
There we go.
Gray stripes. Well,
We'll give them time to bunch up again. We'll put them in.
what you think? Well, they're still going to hang on that limb for a while, even though the queen's gone, because pheromone's still on the limb. You want to open them up, spray them, and try to find the queen?
Yeah. You gonna do it out there in the sun, or?
I'd do it somewhere out here. Or you can do it there. You got a queen cage?
In front of the truck. I got one.
Get the cork out of this thing. Oh shoot, I can't get the cork out of it.
Well, that's jet black. I ain't sure this is my beast.
I don't see her in the box. Don't mean she's not in here. A couple of jet black workers in here. Alright, let's pause the video till we find her. Well, we didn't find her the first attempt, so now we're going to go back and see if we can't get her the second attempt, or third attempt. See if I can get a better view from over here. That's as far in as I can zoom in. What he's doing this time, he's got a feather. Sprayed them down with sugar water. Now he's got a feather just to rake them off the limb. big drone. Actually, don't see her in this bucket either. How many's left on the limb?
Not much.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what all the fuss was about. Looks to be a buck-fast queen. So from summertimebees.com and Woolly Bees, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Every once in a while we do stupid stuff like this together. Hit that bell to get a notification. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.